Hi guys.
Hi guys.
This is my Nina.
And this is Arella. Yeah, for today's... Teka lang, i-adjust ko yung brightness na aking cellphone. For today's video, I have a question for Arella so we can check how smart she is. Arella, sit down here na so they can see you.
Don't ask my mom. I am there.
What will you do tomorrow that you did not do today?
Okay.
What will you do tomorrow that you did not do today?
I can do
Anything.
iPad. I can eat.
What will you do tomorrow? What's your plan for tomorrow that you think that you did not did today?
I will cut my hair, play so long with Cheska because she already slept.
Ah, okay. Yeah, and the cutting of hair. Yes, oo nga. Kasi last week nag-start na yung classes nila. Hindi ko siya napagupitan. So, tomorrow, that's our plan. Very good ah. Naisip mo yun ah. Ako nga, hindi ko nga naisip yun eh. That we will go to the salon and magpapakat siya ng hair. Halika rito. Ba't ba gusto mo magpakat ng hair?
Because it's massaging. Like
Huh?
when it gets in my hair, in my skin, when they move it, it's so soft. I get massage.
You get tickled.
Yes.
Diba? Nakakakiliti kasi dito, diba? Tama ba?
Yes, sir.
Halika dito. So, gaano ba kaiksi ang gusto mo?
So,
How short you want? Mga hanggang saan ang hair mo?
I'm gonna use my hair meter.
Sige. Hair meter daw. Hanggang saan? Dito nga. Teka
Wait
lang.
lang.
I think, dito level lang.
Ayoko guys.
Or level lang chin.
Ito guys, pili ko. The level meter will choose.
Ano? Siguro tama nga lang yung level ng chin.
Ito.
Ay, that's parang sobrang iksi. Parang dito na lang, oh.
Ayoko. Magiging lalaki ako.
Hindi, pag hanggang dito lang, oh, ka-level nitong chin mo. Or dito.
Hanggang dito ba?
That's short
dito?
nga. That's short.
Dito.
Pangit na yung kalbo ka na nun.
Gusto mo hanggang dito?
Papagupit kami tomorrow.
I don't want this style. I will say it to my parlor, Erica.
You will say to the hairdresser what?
You not decide. It's me because I'm gonna want the one is gonna do the haircut, not you.
Okay
I'm
lang.
not gonna decide. I'm gonna decide. She will not.
Siyempre ako pa rin
So
nag-decide.
sponsor for hair meter.
Yeah, so,
It's real hair meter.
kailangan
So
fixin natin yung
when you're gonna cut your hair, you can check how long. Look.
may hair meter pa siyang sinasabi.
See? Thank you, hair meter.
Ano nga, tuloy ulo ko. Basta, gusto ko yan mga level lang hanggang level ng...
This level mode. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Gusto ko yan hanggang kahaba lang nandyan sa chin mo. Konti lang babawas. Konti lang. Kasi mahirapan naman tayong ipitan kapag sobrang iksi.
Thank you, hair meter.
Okay, Dad.
This is
Thank you for
sponsor.
answering my question, Arella. Yeah, we'll go to the salon tomorrow, okay?
Thank you, hair
Yeah.
meter.
Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Bye!